In this video, I'll tell you how you can watch members-only videos on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. These videos are not available for everyone because they require an active membership on that specific channel. First, go to the channel where you want to watch the members-only content. On the channel page, look for the Join button and click it. After that, choose the membership plan you want and complete the process to join the channel. Once your membership is active, the members-only videos should become available to you. You can usually find them by opening the Videos tab and looking for the Members-Only section. You can also check the Membership tab on the channel because creators often place member content there as well. If you still cannot see the videos right away, refresh the page or reopen YouTube after joining. That's pretty much the whole process. The key thing to remember is that members-only videos are unlocked through an active channel membership, so you need to join that exact creator's channel before you can watch them. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.